recommend this academy for everyone because it talks about contracts, it talks about scams, it talks about your social media presence, it talks about what kind of model that you want to be and that fits to you. I can name a few mistakes that I've made in the past that could have been avoided if I would have done the Model Academy first. So one mistake that I made was not knowing about scams. Scams are all over the modeling industry, and I didn't really know how they approach models. I didn't know if I should be paying for this or paying for that. So this is something that I wish I would have known beforehand. Another mistake that I made was not having a strong enough portfolio before applying to agencies. In the Model Academy, there are chapters that will teach you on how to really boost your social media presence, which is now very important. This is also something that's new and that I learned. So I look forward to seeing you start your modeling journey and become successful. Thank you guys, and wishing you a lovely day. All right, this is Jamy signing off. Bye guys.